Creative writing is done this way. First, what we do when we do fiction for our start fives is we talk about stories follow like a wave.
That's right.
You have an introduction, rising action, climax, or climax and conclusion, and it revolves around a conflict. So the conflict is like person against person, person against nature, nature against nature, etc. So your introduction is where you have your basic who, when, and where. Then your rising action is because of the conflict. You know, there's sharks in the water, so the boys are swimming, several buses of kids come, surfers come out, they see a fin in the distance, the fin starts moving over the surfer. So you're getting rising action. The climax is when it's solved, and then you have the conclusion. That's how a story is formed. So what we do at LearnUp when we're moving to novels or literature, we make a wave and we actually write out the intro, who, where, when, and then we write keywords for the rising action, etc. We put the conflict, conclusion, and climax. So they're aware of these starts. This I will do with teachers individually when they have a kid ready for it. Now, when you brainstorm using boxes. Here's your conflict. So here's your intro, here's your rising action, here's your climax, here's your conclusion. So they brainstorm the who, where, when, they brainstorm the rising action, here's the conflict. They brainstorm the climax and the conclusion. Now, this can be a meaty paragraph, or it can be 4 paragraphs. This is your intro, paragraph 1, rising action 2, or you can have multiple paragraphs per these ideas. So the intro could be 1 or 2. This could be 7, 8, 10 paragraphs. This could be a couple, and this could be a couple. But this lays out your intro, your rising action, your climax, and conclusion.